Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a seemingly simple, yet incredibly crucial piece of gear for any modern creator or tech enthusiast: the Rode SC17 USB-C to USB-C flat cable. This isn't just any cable. It's a high-quality 1.5-meter solution designed to ensure your USB-C microphones and other devices connect flawlessly to your computers, phones, and tablets. Right out of the box, one notices the distinctive blue color and the flat design, which isn't just for aesthetics. Flat cables often manage tangles better, making for a tidier setup, whether it's on a desk or in a bag. But beyond the visual, the SC17 boasts some serious engineering. It's a high-quality shielded USB-C to USB-C cable, meaning it's built to protect your signal from external interference, which is absolutely vital when you're recording audio or transferring important data. No one wants dropouts or corrupted files, and Rode clearly understands that. The 1.5-meter, or 5-foot, length is a sweet spot for many setups. It offers enough reach without creating excessive slack that can clutter your workspace. This cable is also high-speed certified, which is a non-negotiable feature for modern USB-C devices. It ensures that your data transfer, whether it's high-resolution audio from a microphone or large files to an external drive, happens quickly and efficiently without bottlenecks. What truly sets Rode cables apart, and the SC17 is no exception, is their commitment to durability. The product information highlights that all Rode cables are manufactured to the highest tolerances. This isn't just marketing speak. It translates into rugged connectors and robust strain relief sleeves. Anyone who has dealt with a frayed cable knows the frustration and expense of replacing it. With the SC17, Rode aims to provide years of reliable use, giving users peace of mind that their connections will remain solid, even with frequent plugging and unplugging. This cable is compatible with a wide range of devices, from personal computers to tablets, making it a versatile addition to any tech arsenal. Whether someone is connecting a Rode NT USB Plus to their laptop for a podcast, linking an external SSD to their tablet for video editing, or simply ensuring a stable power connection, the SC17 is engineered to perform. It's not just about connecting two devices. It's about ensuring that connection is as robust and reliable as the devices themselves. For anyone serious about their setup, investing in a high-quality cable like the Rode SC17 is a smart decision that pays off in consistent performance and longevity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.